Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we have a very simple and very useful tool that I didn't think that I needed until I got it. And then I'm very happy that I got it. It's the Huddy or Hoodie, I don't know which, ball joint remover tightener upperer. Yeah, that's the technical name for it. No, it's not. It's just a very simple tool. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, it cost me $2.18. So it's not the most expensive thing out there, but what it does is stop you going absolutely mad when you're using or messing with the ball joints. Basically, the way I've always done it is I've held the ball joint like so, and I've used a screwdriver, which works quite well. But what I have noticed is that when they're tight, you can actually start to twist and damage the plastic, which isn't ideal, obviously. However, check this out. Two different sizes in this. So you've got that one there and that one there. And look. Oh. Look at that. So when you're making those small adjustments on your steering arms or your tie rods, whoa, it's going to be one of those days today, is it? You can do it relatively easily. As you can tell, I mean, this one's obviously quite loose, but you can do it with the ball joints already on. So there's a ball joint there. Obviously, I'm not going to do that because I don't have the arm in there, but you can see that it will push in far enough that you can still twist it back and forth. I've got some larger ones here so that you can see that there is a limitation in the size of this. That just simply will not fit, or on that side. And this one is quite wide across, so as you can tell, look at the way that that fits in. Very nice indeed. And then it's just a quick, there you go. To say it's simple, effective, and it does exactly what it says on the tin is an understatement. Look at that. And it's so tactile, it's so easy to use. I thought I was going to have problems with, because my fine motor skills are getting worse and worse with my illness, and I thought I was going to struggle with my fingers falling off and whatnot, but it's a nice grip on it. It's got a nice, it's not smooth, but it's not rough either. It's just exactly what you would need, to be honest with you. So can I recommend this tool? 100%. Is it worth the money? $2.18. Yes, it is. So please pick up one of those. The links will be in the description below. I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.